Guys, RETROCENGO here. Today we got some more Amiga stuff to look at. Alright, I got 4 boxes today, and I just came home from work and we have to take them out because I'm so thrilled. Okay, the first box came from a guy called Christian, and he delivered it a short time ago, and I actually only paid for the delivery. I paid him 60, 70 euro or something like that, just so he could deliver it. I didn't have time to drive and pick it up, so I mean, he didn't want any money for this. This one should have 1.8 megabyte of fast RAM. I think he had it from new. The Amiga 600 and some games and some joysticks. That's nice. Tag Christian. It's just great. So another box. I'm just gonna remove the shipping. There we go. So I got another box here. That has got some Amiga stuff inside. Oh, well packed, well packed. So we got, I think this, I'm really buying a lot of Amigas, but yeah, we got some SCART connection here, that's nice. We got some discs here. We got. Let's just take it out and look, man. I'm filming. This is an Amiga 500 that should look really nice. We got a disk drive with no name on it. Again, if this one doesn't work, I'm gonna make an external Gotek drive. Oh, I have so many of these joysticks. It's just called Joystick 125, and it plays like shit. It's really, I mean, it's one of the worst joysticks I have ever played with. This one I had when I had my first Amiga 600. It's not the best joystick, but I got so many memories with this quick shot. We got the mouse here. We got 2. Oh, this is actually the mouse I'm using. I think mine has 2 buttons. I don't know what the third button is for on an Amiga, but yeah. And we got an original tank mouse. They're actually great. But let's look at the Amiga 500. This one should be in a really great condition, he said. More discs. I love Amiga discs, but this is not why I'm filming, guys. Wait to the end of the video. Yeah. What is this? Oh, this is for the disc box. Amiga 500 manuals, user manuals. That's nice. Alright, this one should be. Oh, in really nice condition. Let's take a look. It's not the best way to film these unboxing videos, I know, but what to do, guys? Alright, it's got a Amiga 500 cover. I don't think I have that, but let's take a look. It looks clean, but it doesn't look white as he said. He said it looked like brand new. It wasn't cheap. But yeah, whatever. It's an Amiga 500. I love these machines. I love buying them and getting all the extra discs and hardware and things like that. So I love this, and I think it's great to unpack it and share it with you guys. So yeah, that's another one here. So let me just remove the shipping thingy from these. Alright, guys, the The Amiga community in Denmark is just phenomenal. It's just great. I mean, so many nice guys collect these Amigas and so helpful. And I mean, the community here in Denmark is just incredible. And all the love and passion we have for these machines is just crazy how people help each other and all that. But also, I have also seen on the Commodore Amiga user group here in summer of 2018, it's got 19,000 users. That's just great and very helpful guys. It's just incredible. I love this hobby. But I got contacted. Listen to this, guys. I got contacted by a girl called Louise. And she said that her and her husband had an old Amiga they haven't used for many, many years. And they should move, and her husband has watched my videos on YouTube and all that. And she actually wrote to me, and she said that they were gonna move in a couple of days. That their Amiga would be thrown out. But she saw the passion and love I got for these Amigas, so she said if I was interested, then I could get their Amiga for free. And I said, of course I'm interested. So we talked a little bit back and forth, and she said she had a monitor. As I can see here, it's a 1084. That's great, but this wasn't the box I want to open. Yeah, that's great, a Commodore 1084, guys. But she said that they should move in a couple of days. And they lived just too long, far from me. I haven't the opportunity to drive and pick them up. So I asked in the Danish Amiga forum if someone lived close by, and this guy called Lars, he said that he lived 7 kilometers from there, and without asking him, he said he could just pick it up, Lars. So he picked this machine up, and without asking him, he packed it all together like this, and he offered me to send it. What's this? He offered me he could ship it, and he just, I mean, this is just well packed. And what's this? Oh, this is a RAM expansion. Great. So he offered me this, and he sent it to me, and I just appreciate it so much. I mean, again, the Amiga community is just incredible. Because if this one didn't got picked up, they would just throw it out in the trash can, and I would be heartbroken if that happened, guys. So I arranged with Louise that Lars, he should pick this one up, and he did. And Louise didn't want any money for it, but I sent her about 100 euros, and she was just so happy. She said when they are moving and all that is over, she will buy expensive wine and drink. So we got this Amiga 1000, guys, and if I didn't get it, it should be thrown out. I mean, if it works or the condition, I have no idea, but it's an Amiga 1000. I mean, they had it from new. If this one just went out in the trash can with a Commodore 1084, I would be heartbroken. So Lars, it's not me. He's the one that saved this machine, because I asked her if she could send it to me, and she said they didn't have no time to pack it or send it, no nothing. If I didn't have the time, it would but just be thrown out. So, Lars, thank you, man. Thank you. You're just an awesome guy. You're just so great. I'm just so thankful. So I got this Amiga 1000, and I have found out that Lars is looking for some Danish games called Hugo 1 and 2, and I got them boxed. I don't know what else is inside here. And I'm gonna they're one of the most expensive games in Denmark, those Hugo games, and very popular, Danish produced. And I'm gonna be very sweet about those games to him, because he has been looking for them for a long time. So he made me happy, and I'm gonna make him happy back. No doubt about it. Lars, man, doing good, man. Okay, we got the oh, I think this is for the 1084S, the connection to the Amiga, and SCART cable. Look at this power plug from 1985. It's also yellowed, man. I don't care about if it works or not. It's an Amiga 1000. I mean, I just love that machine. The only thing I wished for was a what's it called? Keyboard. What's it called? Keyboard? Yes. If that was. Oh, here the keyboard. Is it included? I don't know. We got some games here. Pretty dangerous. Got some more games. Oh, maybe this is the... Come on, man, this is the keyboard. Oh, yes! A Amiga 1000 keyboard. Yellowed, but I don't care! It's awesome, man, it's just awesome! So 2 mouse, 1084 monitor, keyboard, some games. No joysticks. That's alright by me. What? Amiga Spil computer. Oh man, they have listed all their games. Supercast 2. Supercast 2 was new for the Amiga 1000. It's just great having look at this history. We got some more games here. Oh, the mouse. I hope it's got the 90-degree plug or what? Yes, the original for the Amiga 1000. It is just a normal tank mouse, but this one connects like this to the cabinet, and it looks great. I have a couple of these. Actually, the last Amiga 1000 I got 2 of these. So that's great, guys. I just want to say, Louise, tak skal du have. Christian, tak skal du have. Lars, kæmpe stor tak skal du have. Det er helt vildt lækkert, det her. I'm just so happy, and I wanna share my happiness with you guys. So another Amiga 1000 saved, and we got some Amiga 500, 600s over there. But this is the main event for the day. It's just great, and I'm thankful. Should we just plug it in and see? Guys, I'm gonna plug this machine on and look at see if it works, because if it does, this video would end with a very, very happy Amiga owner. 2 seconds, guys. The Amiga 1000 is connected. Keyboard, the mouse, and my trusty Turken 1. If you look at if you watch my videos, you know I always use my Turken 1. I got this floppy disk that works, but let me just tell you, all the Amiga 1000s that I have got, none of them's internal disk drive did work. None of them. I mean, I replaced caps on them, I cleaned them, disassembled them. I can save Amiga 500, Amiga 1200 drives and all that. It's not because I don't know what to do. I'm not the best, I know, sorry, it's not meant by that, but I do what the YouTube guys says, and I can save them on these computers, you know. But on the Amiga 1000, no one. So if the disk drive works, I would be so happy, but I'm not so sure. So we're gonna turn it on. I'm gonna I have disassembled it. This is not how I do this, but because of this video, I just wanna get it over with. I'm gonna test the fan. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna turn it off, and it will be another video with this, but 2 seconds, guys. After 30 years, first time boot up. Where's the button at? Yeah, the fan works. And oh, please work. Oh. Yes, it works. Oh, yes. Oh man, that's great. And the disc is clicking, if you can hear it. Yes. Oh man. Okay, I know this one, it works. I'm 100% sure this disc works. So if it doesn't load, then it's a dead disk drive. But let's just give it a go. Come on, man, work. I mean, these Amigas, they're just 30, 35 years old. They're just built like tanks, you know. I mean, built to... Oh, look at this. It's an optic mouse. I really love it. I have 3 of these. They're just great to use, guys. It's incredible. I know the Amiga 1000. It's not the Amiga people use today. I know it, but it's really one of the best Amigas in my opinion. I just love them. Alright, this drive works! Guys, I'm just so happy. This is just incredible. Oh, let's check out the mouse. This is a good day, you know? This is what I call happy ending, guys. I'm just so happy. I'm thrilled. I mean, I didn't do anything and it works. I mean, if Lars didn't help with picking up this Amiga 1000, a working Amiga 1000, as you can see, it will just be thrown out. It would, with a monitor and with all those games. I mean, just saving the games is just... all the discs, it would be incredible for me. I mean, I also collect old Amiga discs. I love to, when I have the time, exploring the disc, because there are just so many fun stuff created by people, and it's just so fun to look at the old discs, you know, guys. So, wow, this Amiga works. I'm just so happy. Guys, I'm a lucky guy. I have been lucky since I was born, but this is, you know, one of those days that just makes you happy. The people that help me, thank you. Donations, thank you. You on YouTube watching, thank you. Join our Facebook club, Commodore 64-Amiga. RETROCENGO, come in and join us. It's just a new club. Everything about the Amigas and Commodore 64s, all retro machines. I just love this. So I just wish you all a really, really nice day, and I hope you all will be just as happy and as I am right now. So until next time, play some Amiga 1000, guys. Bye.